The LNWR Webb Compound is an experimental compound system in the countryside of UK, built in 1882 by William Henry Webb, a British engineer and civil servant for the London and North Western Railway, LNWR. The compound's origin dates back to the early 19th century, when it was initially used as a testing ground for locomotive designs. Over time, it evolved into an experimental compound system, showcasing various innovative features such as steam-powered engines, gear systems, and braking mechanisms. Notable engineering feats include the use of vertical cylinders and horizontal cylinders, which allowed for greater efficiency and power output. The compound was also associated with notable milestones, including the introduction of high-pressure boilers and the development of the Webb system, a unique locomotive design that featured a combination of steam-powered engines and gear systems.